AI is changing how companies work, and one of the fastest growing roles isn't coding. It's AI project management. So the question is, could someone with no technical background become job ready in just 30 days? Companies don't just need people who understand AI. They need professionals who can lead AI projects, coordinate teams, and turn powerful tools into real business results. In this video, we'll break down exactly what to learn, which AI tools to master, and how to build the skills employers actually want, starting with day one. AI project managers don't build AI models. They make sure AI projects actually succeed by coordinating people, choosing the right tools, managing timelines, and delivering measurable business results. Think of them as the bridge between business goals and AI technology. They keep everyone aligned, solve problems before they grow, and make sure every AI initiative delivers real value. With demand growing across healthcare, finance, retail, and tech, it's easy to see why so many professionals are making the switch. But do you actually need years of experience? That's where our 30-day plan begins. Here's the biggest misconception. You don't need to build AI systems yourself. Your job is to understand what AI can do, choose the right solutions, and keep the entire project moving forward. Modern AI tools handle much of the repetitive work. That means project managers can spend less time creating documents and more time making decisions that actually move projects forward. So if you can communicate clearly, stay organized, and enjoy solving problems, you're already building the foundation. Now let's map out exactly what your first week should look like. Week 1 isn't about mastering AI. It's about understanding the language of AI. You need to know what these tools can do, where businesses use them, and how to confidently talk about them. Don't memorize technical definitions. Focus on understanding how AI solves real business problems. If you can explain an AI tool to a teammate in plain English, you're learning the right way. By the end of week 1, you won't be an AI expert, but you'll understand the fundamentals well enough to start thinking like an AI project manager. Next, it's time to learn how successful projects are actually managed. Now that you understand AI, it's time to learn the skill companies actually pay project managers for, leading projects from idea to execution. Learn how projects are planned, how agile teams work, how to track progress, and how AI can automate routine coordination so you can focus on solving bigger problems. By the end of week 2, you should be comfortable managing a simple AI project from start to finish. Next, we'll transform those new skills into a portfolio that proves you can do the job. Here's where most people stop, and where you can pull ahead. Learning is valuable, but hiring managers want evidence. A small portfolio of realistic AI projects can say more than a long list of certificates. Start with realistic business scenarios. Create a project charter, define the goals, choose the AI tools, identify risks, and document the expected business impact. You're demonstrating how you think, not claiming years of experience. By the end of week 3, you should have something employers can actually review. And in the final week, we'll package everything into a resume, prepare for interviews, and start applying with confidence. A great resume doesn't just list what you've learned. It shows what you've accomplished. Your portfolio projects should become the strongest part of your application because they demonstrate real problem solving. Your LinkedIn profile is just as important as your resume. Make your headline specific, showcase your portfolio, and start connecting with professionals already working in AI project management. Once your application materials are ready, it's time to start applying strategically. But getting an interview is only half the challenge. Next, let's prepare for the questions that determine whether you get the offer. Interviews aren't designed to test whether you're an AI engineer. They're designed to discover how you solve problems, communicate with people, and lead projects when things don't go according to plan. Strong candidates don't jump straight to technology. They start with the business problem, recommend a small pilot project, measure the results, and only then suggest expanding the solution. If you can confidently explain your thinking, support it with real projects, and focus on business outcomes, you'll stand out from candidates who only memorize AI buzzwords. But before you start applying everywhere, there's one final strategy that can dramatically improve your chances. Don't limit yourself to searching for one exact job title. Many companies hire for AI work under different names. Expanding your search dramatically increases the number of opportunities you'll find. Instead of sending the same resume everywhere, tailor every application. Match the language of the job description, highlight the most relevant portfolio project, and explain how your experience, whether from work, school, or personal projects, translates to the role. Consistency beats volume. A focused weekly routine helps you improve your skills, strengthen your portfolio, and submit better applications over time. Now, let's answer the biggest question: is becoming an AI project manager in 30 days actually realistic? Not in the sense of mastering everything. But you can absolutely build the foundation, create real projects, and become genuinely competitive for entry-level opportunities. Think of these 30 days as launching your career, and not finishing it. Your goal isn't to know everything. It's to become someone employers are willing to invest in and grow with. Most people don't fail because they lack potential. They fail because they make a few avoidable mistakes that hiring managers notice immediately. Let's make sure you don't make them. Mistake number 5, collecting endless certificates without building anything. Certifications can help you learn, but employers are far more interested in seeing how you apply those skills to real business problems. Mistake number 4, sending the same resume everywhere. Every application should highlight the experience and portfolio projects that best match the role you're applying for. Mistake number 3, learning tools without practicing real project management. Companies aren't hiring someone who knows every AI app. They're hiring someone who can organize people, processes, and outcomes. Mistake number 2, chasing every new AI tool. The best AI project managers don't use the most tools, they know how to use a small set of tools exceptionally well to solve real business problems. The biggest mistake of all? Thinking AI project management is mostly about AI. It's actually about people. Technology changes quickly, but clear communication, leadership, and smart decision-making are what make projects succeed. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll already be ahead of many applicants. But your journey doesn't end on day 30. In fact, that's when the real career growth begins. Day 30 isn't your finish line, it's your launch point. Over the next month, your focus should shift from learning to improving. Every interview, every portfolio update, and every networking conversation makes you a stronger candidate. The strongest candidates never stop improving. Add new projects, refine old ones, ask for feedback, and stay engaged with the AI community. Small improvements compound over time. Careers aren't built in 30 days, they're built through consistent progress. The habits you develop now can create opportunities for years to come. So before we wrap up, let's put everything into one simple action plan you can start today. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this blueprint. Every successful AI project manager follows the same pattern: learn the fundamentals, practice with real projects, showcase your work, build your network, and keep improving. You don't need 8 hours a day to make progress. What matters is having a system you can repeat every week. Consistency beats intensity almost every time. You don't need to wait for the perfect course, the perfect certification, or the perfect opportunity. The best time to begin building these skills is today, one step at a time. Every generation experiences a major shift in the workplace. Today, that shift is AI. Here's my challenge to you. Don't try to finish all 30 days today. Just complete day 1. Small, consistent progress beats one weekend of motivation every single time. 30 focus minutes every day can create more progress than months of waiting for the perfect moment. Now the roadmap is yours to follow. AI is changing faster than any single video can cover. That's why every week we break down new AI careers, practical tools, hiring strategies, and step-by-step roadmaps to help you stay ahead. The future won't be shaped by the people who watch the most AI videos. It'll be shaped by the people who used AI to solve real problems. If you're ready to build a future-proof career, subscribe to Career with AI and continue with the next video on your screen. I'll see you there.